VC financed startup Lone Star Data Holdings needs to store information in data centers inside the empty magma tubes thought to line the outer layer of the moon. The thought is to help during future lunar missions, and, possibly, defend human information after the death of Earth, the Register reports. The organization trusts it's a far more secure spot to store significant data, much more so than the Svalbard Global Seed Vault in far-off Norway, an office intended to eternalize mankind's development endeavors. In the event that we don't do this, what will befall our information on Earth? Lone Star Data Holdings organizer and CEO Christopher Stott told the Register. The seed bank overwhelmed because of impacts of environmental change. It's additionally helpless to different types of obliteration like conflict or digital assaults. According to one vital benefit of putting away information on the moon, the organization, is that its close to side is continuously confronting the Earth, making view correspondences nearly direct. The organization is expanding on experience and is as of now running the world's most memorable web server on the International Space Station, as indicated by a public statement. Lone Star has marked an agreement with NASA-financed aviation organization Intuitive Machines to send off early tech showings to the Moon as a component of the Space Office's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program. The underlying test is programming just, with Intuitive Machines Nova C landers equipment putting away Lone Star's model information. During a subsequent send-off, booked to take off the following year, Lone Star is intending to send its most memorable equipment model with 16 terabytes of memory to the lunar surface. Obviously, the organization actually has a lot of obstacles to survive. As far as one might be concerned, landing for all intents and purposes anything delicately on the moon has demonstrated incredibly troublesome. That is likewise also the ungracious circumstances once on the lunar surface, with temperatures swinging stunningly in addition to the presence of unremitted enormous radiation, precisely near perfect circumstances for a data center. That is the reason Lone Star is wanting to store its focuses inside magma tubes, which could give a substantially more steady climate. Yet, it merits calling attention to, those stay speculative and no one has at any point visited one. Quit worrying about introduced server equipment there. When laid out, the organization could furnish future lunar missions with basic information transmission foundation, a significant piece of any endeavor to lay out our presence on the moon. On the whole, it should really arrive.